This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The spare wheel and tools are located in the luggage compartment. Lift up the floor panel. Where fitted, undo the wing nut, remove the retaining plate and lift the spare wheel from the luggage compartment. Undo the retainer and lift out the jack. Undo the wing nut and remove the wheel chock from the inside of the rear panel. Remove the wheel brace and tools from the luggage compartment lid on Saloon and Coupe models, or the floor on touring models. Place the chock against the wheel diagonally opposite to the one being removed. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolts adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Locate the head of the jack into the hard plastic jacking point, then rotate the handle clockwise and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Locate the wheel over the hub and align the mounting holes. Insert and lightly tighten the bolts. Rotate the handle anti-clockwise and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts securely. Remove the anti-theft adapter, then stow the wheel chock and jack in the luggage compartment and secure them with the retainers. Stow the spare wheel and lower the floor panel. Refit the tools to their original locations.